In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is go up to the top right. You're going to see a little profile icon there. Go ahead and select that and then find your profile icon again in this section, and you need to go ahead and select that to open up your profile settings. As you can tell on here, you're going to see your online status. And this is where you're going to change your status to appear offline. Essentially, you want to find this online tab, which is what you're probably currently selected on, and go ahead and move this over to away. So go ahead and select this. This is going to make you way less visible to others. From here, scroll down a little bit to your party joinability and change it from joinable to invite only. And that's going to change what this looks like right here. And then finally, for the show mutual friends option, you also want to go ahead and put this on private for even more privacy. Whenever you're set to away, your name is going to show way lower on your friends list, so most people won't even notice you're on. But that is how you can appear offline here in Fortnite. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.